It's currently 76 degrees, high of 81. This is the day I've been waiting for. But I have a slight obstacle to overcome. That's the car I want to take out today.
I get it off.
Hey Tom, you want to help me with something before you go do that?
Yeah, sure, what you gotta do?
Keep it legal, folks. Gotta make sure my stuff's gonna fit in this little back seat. That's definitely an extra plus. I didn't think this was gonna work, because when you've got the top down, there's this little thing in the trunk right here that you gotta pull it down. And so it kind of takes up a little bit of your trunk space, so I didn't think I was going to be able to fit my stuff in there, but it fits. Just got a little freaked out. Setting the GoPro up for a great shot while I'm driving. I accidentally bumped into this, and the trunk popped open. I just went like this. This massive Buick emblem right here, it's a trunk release. All right, let's do this. I don't actually like sunglasses, but I thought it would be a cool shot. Anyway, this right here, 2016 Buick Cascada. It's a convertible, if you couldn't tell. It's really cool. Let's go check it out. That was just to show you the top going up. There's no way that I'm driving this back with the top up. When I go to get in the car, turn the ignition on, these sweet little automatic seatbelt helper things pop out. So it's easier for me to grab my seatbelt and put it on, because that's the law, you know. It retracts. When your friends see you at work and they're like, that's what I was going for. It's for the showroom. Wonder if I could convince anybody that it'd be a good idea for me to just drive that around town every nice day and just try to find somebody to buy it. Sounds like a good idea to me.